At Delta ModTech, our customers are driven to excel. They stay ahead by being the best at innovation, flexibility, and precision. Delta ModTech brings that same commitment to excellence to everything the marketplace demands in web converting and custom manufacturing. Customers choose us for their most complicated challenges, knowing we leverage our extensive industry experience and our proven modular approach. We match that with expert staff and experienced professional problem solvers.
I'm Evan Skibout, owner of Delta ModTech. We're a global provider of web converting and coding equipment. We have our main headquarters in Minneapolis, Minnesota at a 250,000 square foot facility. We also have facilities in Germany, Sweden, France, and Pennsylvania. Our customers experience higher yield and increased performance due to newly developed intelligent machines. They are capable of detecting and correcting process problems.
Delta ModTech's unique approach was first pioneered in 1978 by founder Dave Skibout. It didn't take long for the company to become a full-fledged machine builder, dedicated to improving and innovating complex motion control automation processes. Today, Delta ModTech has invested in a proven team that design, build, and support custom products across a variety of industries.
I'm Toby Fierst. I've been with Delta ModTech for 21 years. I'm the CFO. We've grown our staff to well over 100 plus employees, half of which are engineers. Our engineers love taking on complex projects. We can handle customers' most complex problems, and they can have the confidence that we will address all of their needs.
Through years of experience, we've developed a process that works to first identify target areas and then apply our proven methodology for rapid implementation with a strong focus on quality.
One of the investments that Delta ModTech has made is in the Class 10,000 clean room. This allows us to better support our customers in generating products for them so customers can prove out their process on the piece of equipment that will actually be used in the end production.
From original concept to final production, each step is tested and validated to ensure maximum outcome with minimal risk.
Behind this curtain is a customer machine. Here at Delta, we always try to place extra special importance on the privacy of our customers.
And of course, the very best design and production process deserves to be complemented by the very best in training, service, and support.
My name is Ben Christensen and I handle the inside sales here at Delta ModTech. I'm very proud of our modular design and I know firsthand how easy it is to offer process and upgraded solutions to your changing manufacturing needs.
I'm Nate Palm. I'm an electrical engineer in the service department at Delta. I'm one of the first people you'll talk to if you have a process support question, a registration issue, or if there's an alarm on your machine that you can't seem to clear. With that, we can remote access your machine from virtually anywhere in the world. And if I can't figure it out, we have a full team of engineers readily available.
These are just some of the reasons we enjoy high customer loyalty. With over 40 years of expertise, Delta ModTech has become a global leader in the design, implementation, and service of motion-controlled converting and packaging systems.
At Delta ModTech, we continue to push the limits on what's possible in web converting. The secret to our success is simple: dedicated employees, quality vendors, and most importantly, our customers.
Bring us your toughest challenge. We're ready. We're the best. We're Delta ModTech.